Okay, what you want an ice cream from me? I will. The ice cream shall be given. So, hi, good evening, everybody.
Good
And I'm so
evening.
sorry. Yesterday, after that event, I wasn't able to do the video over there. It was just not possible. So, I couldn't go live yesterday. But here I am today. And I'm going to carry on with that theme of yesterday, of course. This whole women of substance kind of thing. So, I want your definition of what do you think, or what do you think is the meaning of women of substance? What would a woman, and right now since there are all women here, I can safely just talk to you of but if it is a man of substance or a woman of substance, what would be different in that person? What do you
I
think
think
would be?
one
Yeah.
one would be the ability to sustain and be the change, because I
Okay.
think everybody has some or the other qualities that we realize by time, by
Yeah.
experience.
True.
So one should try to overcome that. I think that is the most difficult task, according to me. Uh,
Yeah, that's
I'm
just
giving
fine,
my
and this is
beliefs,
so wonderful to
and
hear. So what you're saying is to be able to sustain
sustain the changes,
the
and one should
changes.
start change. Yeah, one should get the change in them, because that is one of the most difficult habit. Like, I have to get up at
Become
6 o'clock. I am
comfortable with
trying. So
change.
every day you have to do some effort. You're telling your brain, you're telling your mind, okay, you have to do this, you have to do this. You use different strategies. So that is how we use every
And to sustain that.
organ or
Pallavi, you're
every
married for how many months now?
1 year.
It's a year now. So now you know why this girl is talking more about change and to sustain change. But that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Really, really wonderful.
Thank you.
Yes, that of course is. I mean, newly married or not, all of us are constantly going through
Otherwise,
these.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So Rashmi has written, someone, a woman of substance is someone who is able to create a positive impact on people and society. Yeah, that's true. That is so wonderful. So again, if for a person to impact other people in society, first she should have somewhere, I think, created a space for herself. Also only then we are able to impact others. वो बोलते हैं ना फ्लाइट में कि that oxygen mask is first for yourself, and when you save yourself, then you'll be able to save others. तो पहले खुद को establish करना. So wonderful. Again, Rashmi, thank you for that. Let me just see, are there more? Okay, I'm just reading what else. So, Anu is saying the contribution towards the betterment of others done selflessly. All right, that is also. So, again, my question here is, let's be really, really practical. ये selflessly अभी होता है क्या? क्योंकि I don't know, I just have this question कि even when I do, it's not all the time selfless, believe me, because again I also have a house to run. I so at some point each human being becomes selfish, and I don't call it selfish, I call it self first. Somewhere we must be able to take care of ourselves first, and when we keep ourselves secure and safe, and in a good space, and abundant and all of that, then I think we are at least in a position to help others. Because if we ourselves are not feeling safe and secure, how am I going to make anyone else feel safe and secure? So uh, yeah, that selflessly is a point, but we just need to give a little thought to that, because वो बहुत high level का selflessly मतलब सोचना. So I clearly will declare right here, nobody's a saint here. We all know that, but in our whatever capacity, whatever best we are able to do, that would be so amazing, if we are. So I want to actually share a story, and I'm sure some of you who have attended my trainings would have heard this story at some point of time. Um so there's this grandfather and his son. They're walking uh, by the shore, by the seashore, in on the beach. And as they're just strolling, over there, they notice lots of starfish being washed ashore. So there are lots of starfish over there, and everybody knows, like if they are washed out of the sea, the chances of them drying because of the sun are very very high, so they'll die. So the little boy, the grandson, is worried, and he says that, grandpa, what will happen to all these starfish? They are going to all die. So the grandfather says, he's picking up, and we can save them, and he keeps throwing one starfish back in the water. So the grandson is watching him, and he says, but then there are like thousands of them, and we are just one. So how will we be able to save the thousands of starfish who really need help? And we'll not be able to do, because I'm just one. Na? How many will I be able to pick up and throw? So at that point, the grandfather picks up one starfish, and he throws it in the sea, and he says, we saved this one. So one at a time, even if we look at, just like today, what Anu's Maushi has done, that she has saved that one starfish. यहाँ पे आके हमसे, whatever we have been doing, so we did 5 days of sessions, and today, like 6th and 7th, I had homework for you, but today, let's say, is the 8th day when we are meeting. पर अगर 8वें दिन मुझे कोई आके बोलता है कि एक हफ्ता सुनने के बाद आई हैव बीन इन अ पोजीशन टू गो एंड मोटिवेट समवन, आई थिंक यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग एन इम्पैक्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. यू हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन लाइफ टू वन स्टारफिश, एंड दैट इज सो ऑसम. अगर हम सब ये सोच के करते रहे, तो आई एम श्योर we will be able to create a positive influence, a positive impact in the world. So that would be so wonderful. So, just going into the details of like what Rashmi has written, she's also written about creating a positive impact. Anu has written about contributing to the betterment of others. Baki sabka kya khayal hai? Who is a woman of substance?
I would say a one
Yes.
who's thinking of win-win position for both.
uh, Taking up a position, I
Win-win
didn't.
position for both means whatever she's doing, she's thinking about herself also and others also.
Okay, so when she's thinking of herself and others and doing good to both herself and others, she's a woman of substance. That is also such a wonderful definition. I think we must just merge all these together and make one definition. Uh, Anyone else? Or right now, I just want to push you to think ki, what are the qualities that a woman of substance can have or would have? What do you see? What would you see in her? What are the things that she would have, she would possess? You could put it in the chat box, or feel free to share here. That's just fine. Immense positivity and compassion. Okay. So Anu has written. Okay, there's another one coming: compassion and belief in self. So wonderful. Love, empathy, independent, and true to her heart. Very beautiful. Love for everyone, including herself too. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. So for me,
May I
I
please?
yes, please.
कहीं ऐसा ऐसा बोला जाता है कि हम लोग जो कुछ भी पढ़ते हैं वो जब हम किसी और को पढ़ाएंगे या हमें जो कुछ ज्ञान मिला है वो जब हम किसी और को बांटते हैं तभी वो पूरा होता है. हमने सीख लिया तब नहीं पूरा होता, जब हम वो किसी और को देते हैं तब पूरा होता है. तो ये चीज जब मतलब लेडीज में होगी और उनके पास जो है कुछ उनका मिला हुआ वो सारी क्वालिटीज जब वो दूसरों में बांटेंगी तो ऐसा लगता है मुझे कि ये क्वालिटी उनमें होनी चाहिए.
वेरी नाइस. बहुत अच्छे से बताया कि जो क्वालिटी खुद में है, जब आप दूसरों को सिखाते हो, तो देन दैट इज द टाइम एक्चुअली यू नो दैट दिस इज व्हाट you have. Unless we don't share, unless we don't help others learn that that is not एविडेंट इनफ, नहीं तो हम सोचते हैं कि ये मुझे आता है, मुझे पता है, पर that it is only tested when you are able to share it or teach it to someone else. So that is a wonderful thing. Very nice, Kirti. Thank you for sharing. And Sushila writes unconditional love, peaceful, helping nature. All right. Smita, have you written? So I'm thinking of many qualities, but primary, what is coming up for me first is to have a purpose, to have a specific, clear purpose or meaning of life. Like, what exactly is the meaning of my life, or what is the meaning I want to give my life. Yeah. So at this point of time, if you have not thought of it, I really want you to थोड़ा सोचिए कि आपके लाइफ को, या आपके लाइफ का क्या मीनिंग रहेगा, सो आज हम हैं, कल नहीं होंगे, तो वुड दिस लाइफ वंस इट हैज एंडेड, वुड इट बी मीनिंगफुल? कि जब कोई सोचे हमारे लाइफ के बारे में, तो उसमें से क्या क्या मिलेगा किसी को, जस्ट बाय नोइंग आवर लाइफ और नोइंग अस व्हाट इज लाइक, बिकॉज स्टोरी तो हर एक के पास है। ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मेरी एक इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी है या लाइफ स्टोरी है, आप सबकी एक एक स्टोरी है, तो वो तो है, पर उस स्टोरी को ऐसा क्या मीनिंग है, ऐसा क्या डेप्थ है, जिसकी वजह, विच इज द मोटिवेशन, विच इज लाइक द ड्राइव फॉर यू टू लिव लाइफ। प्रोफेशंस में हम सब है, अलग अलग प्रोफेशंस में है, और उसकी वजह कुछ भी हो सकती है। उसकी वजह पैशन हो सकता है कि आपको उस करियर के लिए पैशन हो, या उसकी वजह सिर्फ पैसा भी हो सकता है कि आपकी ज़रूरत हो वो प्रोफेशन, दैट इज अनदर थिंग। पर आपका जो लाइफ आप जी रहे हो, तो अंदर कहीं भी ऐसा कुछ है कि स्पार्क है कि जहाँ फील हो रहा है कि मेरी लाइफ का मतलब क्या है, तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू, अभी मुझे नहीं जवाब देंगे तो भी चलेगा, बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू एक्चुअली थिंक अबाउट इट, रिफ्लेक्ट ओवर इट, कि अंदर से क्या आता है, कि डीप इनसाइड से क्या आता है कि दिस इज वॉट, this is the meaning I want to give my life, this is how I want my life to be. So this is one thing, that I have strongly felt. Secondly, like आप सबने जो बताया वो कि खुद के लिए of course meaning है, and now I'm moving to how can I positively influence others, जो आप सबने डाला है कि to be able to positively impact others lives वगैरह. So but for us to positively impact someone else's life, again I'm just coming back to that my life has to have some meaning, my life has to have some purpose, नहीं तो मैं impact किस चीज का करूंगी, क्या करूंगी, isn't it? So that is, for me that is the second one. The third one has been basically, I feel power, and I'm not talking about the power matlab हम political power is, the power which you get through contacts, वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I'm talking about the power within. Have you claimed your inner power? Do you feel powerful? uh, yes, there are times we all feel weak and vulnerable, which is again just fine, because हम सब human beings है, और ये होना possible है because we have a brain, and then there are emotions, and there are times we don't even know कि ये feeling कहाँ से आया, ये thought कहाँ से आया, ये क्या, it is making me feel sad, it is making me feel angry, it is making me feel anxious. तो कुछ कुछ ऐसे थॉट्स आते हैं, तो वो कंप्लीट कंट्रोल होना, देन it's going to be challenging, it is going to take time. अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि मेरा माइंड टोटली मेरे कंट्रोल में है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू से हैट्स ऑफ टू यू, बिकॉज देन I will not see that person amongst us. Maybe that person will be, I don't know where. But yeah, I think every human being is work in progress. हम सब काम कर रहे हैं अपने आप पे, that's the reason I love my name, because Shilpa means a sculpture, and I feel that the sculptor is still sculpting, and the sculpture is still work in progress. ये तैयार नहीं हुई है मूर्ति अभी भी, जो अनवांटेड स्टोन है उसको चिसल किया जा रहा है, वो हथौड़े से छिन्नी से मार मार के निकाला जा रहा है एक्स्ट्रा जो भी स्टोन है, वो जिस दिन पूरा निकल जाएगा तो शायद वो उसमें एक मूर्ति बनेगी। तो राइट नाउ तो नहीं बनी है, बट या वी आर ऑल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस। And so that is the third thing, to be able to feel very very powerful within, you know, to claim that power, because वो सब अंदर है। हम जानते नहीं है, कभी कभी जान के भी भूल जाते हैं। मुझे मेरा ऐसा होता है कि आई हैव टू रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ दैट, यू नो, I am that powerful. I claim that power, because there are times fear takes in, there are times anxiety takes in, and it starts disturbing us. तो थोड़ा टाइम आई अलाउ माई सेल्फ कि भाई डर लो जितना डरना है, वो डर के ऐसे सो जाओ, यू नो, जो भी है। बट देन जितनी जल्दी हो सके बाउंस बैक एंड से हे, यू नो व्हाट, आई एम पावरफुल। सो that is the third thing. The fourth thing I feel, which again I'm working on, and that is perseverance, that is consistency, that is discipline, you know, क्योंकि उस पोजीशन में जाना, वहाँ वो पावर एक्सपीरियंस करना, that only happens when we consistently keep doing that same thing again and again and again and again over the years. तो फिर वो इतना पॉलिश हो जाता है कि we become so confident that, you know, you automatically feel powerful, you automatically are able to, you know, just by being there, कहीं भी आप present रहोगे ना totally, तो भी वो positive influence हो जाएगा। like किसी किसी को भी मिलोगे ना तो उस पे अपनी छाप छोड़ के वापस आ जाओगे। that is the kind of, you know, presence you will have. So that is something. And something which is the most important for me, like the most important, is to continue your learning, you know, कि जब जिस दिन सीखना बंद किया ना, that is the day I think our downfall begins, because we just stop. And that is where I also want to share, you know, like for me personally, there are like, Rashmi is like an immediate person who knows like the kind of money I invest in myself, you know, because that's what has really constantly, the number of teachers I've been to, the number of courses I've done, has really, really enriched me, helped me. This is not who I was 20 years back. This is not who I was 10 years back. This is not who I was 1 year back, you know. So there is, I mean, Shilpa has just changed. And for me, you know, the best thing is, I've met my school friends after like 32 years. You know, this year I met them after 32 years. और जो अपने स्कूल के जो दोस्त होते हैं ना, वो हमें हमारा जो ट्रू नेचर है ना वो जानते हैं। यू नो, ओवर द इयर्स जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं तो हम अलग अलग लेयर या अलग अलग एक रूप धारण करते जाते हैं, क्योंकि ऑफिस में दिस इज द इमेज आई हैव टू कैरी, फ्रेंड्स में दिस इज द इमेज आई हैव टू कैरी, ससुराल में दिस इज द इमेज आई हैव टू कैरी। सो ऑटोमेटिकली हम वो एक एक ऊपर से कॉस्ट्यूम डालते जाते हैं। बट अपने जो स्कूल के दोस्त होते हैं ना, उनको पता होता है तू कैसी थी, you know, तू तभी कैसी थी वगैरह। So that now when I met them after so many years, and like few of them told me that how confident and how clear I was, I'm so surprised, you know. I just feel, where was this Shilpa lost, you know, after that? Because there was a time period when I was only confused and lost and hopeless. And if I had carried that quality, जो मेरी original qualities है, तो today I would be, I don't know what I would be, you know. So I'm really grateful wherever I am today. But I think it would be some different place if I would have been able to stick to my true nature. But somewhere on the line, I picked up a lot of fear, and that's how I started pleasing people. कि इसको खुश करना, उसको खुश करना, ताकि, you know, सब शांत रहे. And that is a wrong notion that I carried in my head, that जितना सबको खुश रखूंगी ना उतना मेरा लाइफ पीसफुल और हैप्पी रहेगा। तो ऐसे नहीं होता है, बिकॉज सिर्फ एक इंसान है जिसको हमें खुश रखना चाहिए, और ओनली देन आवर लाइफ विल बी पीसफुल। और वो कौन है? वो इंसान कौन है? हम खुद है, हम खुद है। बिकॉज यू नो, if we are just trying to please people and make them happy, and this is what he wants from me, this is what she wants from me, this is what he is expecting, तो हम उसी में गुम हो जाते हैं। and the day we choose to be our truest form, our truest nature, then that's when the real process begins. We literally start shining. We literally become, because that is the God's child, God is, we are God's beloved children, and he or she, whoever that is, has created us, in the unique way. Like there is no another कीर्ति, नो पल्लवी, एक और कॉपी नहीं है रश्मि की, दीपाली की, सुशीला की, एक और कॉपी ही नहीं है. दिस इज द ओनली वन सैंपल इन द वर्ल्ड. तो सोचिए मतलब कितना अनमोल है हम, कितने प्रेशियस है हम. और अगर हम अपनी ओरिजिनल क्वालिटी को कहीं पे उस पे ढक्कन डालने दे रहे हैं किसी और के लिए, तो वी आर नॉट being our truest self. So I think that started coming up because I kept my learning in place. जितना मैंने ये अलग अलग कोर्सेज में करती रहती, लाइक इस साल तो I've enrolled for some more advanced courses, and I'm certain that will really, by the year of end, I'll be again, there'll be so much new which I would have learned, and I would have raised myself a level higher. So I really want you girls to remember that. Also क्या है ना, this is एक थोड़ा मुझे ये भी बताना कि आजकल क्या है ना, YouTube पे बहुत सारा फ्री या Google पे बहुत सारा फ्री मिलता है, but believe me, free is not something which is exclusive. क्योंकि free is going to be something which is very common, very so you'll have to also figure out कि कौन सा free का material. I'm not saying all free material is you worthless, useless. No, I'm saying you will have to have that that power to discern कि कौन सा फ्री मटेरियल भी वर्दी है. ऑल राइट, क्योंकि बहुत बार हम फ्री के पीछे लगते हैं. सो वो भी इट्स just think about it, that what is this material, how what we are getting free. So think about that, but invest in yourself. Honestly, invest in yourself. Learn new stuff. There is so much, there are so many beautiful teachers out there teaching so many beautiful things, and it has, like, for me, it has been like absolute uh, a beautiful evolving journey. Like last whole year though, I've been doing crazy number of courses with Nitya Shanti. I think some of you know him, and it has just raised me on another platform. So many of you, I'm sure, are listening to his videos and stuff. And again, there is a lot of free stuff which Nitya speaks about, and it's already there out there. But if you decide to unka ek koi bhi, and not just Nitya, there are so many teachers. There is Muji, if you listen to him, he is so amazing. There are so many people. तो उस वीडियो में से आप एक भी चीज लोगे ना, and just stick to that, hold that thing and work on that. वो एक चीज जो भी आप नया सीख रहे हो उसको पकड़ के रखो और उस पे काम करो. एटलीस्ट एक मंथ तक काम करके देखो क्या, what is it doing. What happens is we're just running behind lot of free stuff. हम वो सिर्फ जमा करते जाते हैं. वो हमें कुछ अलग बदलाव लाता है कि नहीं, is a question. Yeah, so just definitely give some importance to your learning processes and invest in yourself. That is what invest in yourself in terms of time, invest in yourself in terms of energy, and invest in yourself in terms of money. All these three things. आप जो भी कमाते हो उसमें से एटलीस्ट 10% का जो अमाउंट है वो खुद के लिए इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, अपने लर्निंग पे. नॉट टू बाय अ न्यू ड्रेस, वो तो हस्बैंड से ले लो या बॉयफ्रेंड से ले लो या खुद ले लो, कुछ भी चलेगा. दैट इज, बट दैट 10% इज नॉट फॉर योर ड्रेस, इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सो दैट ड्रेस कहीं से भी आ सकता है. योर फ्रेंड्स कैन गिफ्ट यू, योर मम्मा कैन गिफ्ट यू. ड्रेस कहीं से आता है, बट दैट ड्रेस विल कम एंड ड्रेस विल गो. बट आप जो वो 10% जिस कोर्स में डालोगे ना, दैट कोर्स का जो विजडम होगा, दैट विल शिफ्ट यू टू लिटरली अनदर लेवल. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, don't invest in these things which are not going to stay with you. Invest in things which will really raise your level. So do that. And again, just summarizing: power, positive influence. What is next? I've done many online courses and workshops in 2020. Love the learning. Yeah, absolutely. And the good thing about 2020 is we get to learn so much online. It आपका travel time completely बच गया है, and you get to learn so much online. Yeah. So again, coming back to various qualities, think about the purpose of your life. Start with that. Start with the why. What is the meaning? Why am I here? You know, what is the purpose of my life? What do I really want to do? What is that I want to leave as a legacy? Purpose, positive influence, power, perseverance, that is consistency, discipline, vagera vagera, and learning. Learn, keep learning. Yeah. So, and then what we could do is, again, let's create such communities जहाँ पे you tell me one day that this is what I am doing in my community, जहाँ से I have learned and I have done courses. I just tell them that I like to do the sharing with this community, and there is a small group which is always interested to listen to new things. So there you can share. So if you have, like Sushila just mentioned, that you've done so many online courses and workshops, what is that you would like to share with this community? Tell us. So then, if any one of you has learned something new which is going to be helpful for our personal development, please let me know, so then we can have a workshop amongst ourselves where we will do a sharing. That will be so wonderful, that we create a community जहाँ पे कोई है जिसने इन्वेस्ट किया है खुद में, और वो आके उसका लर्निंग शेयर कर रहा है. सो दैट विल ओल्ड. सो ऑब्वियसली जब आप सीख के आओगे तो आप कुछ ना कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे. आप 10 चीजें इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, उसमें से आप 5 आपके लिए सक्सेसफुल होगी, 5 आपके लिए वर्क करेगी, शायद 5 नहीं करेगी, विच इज फाइन. But then when you share, you can say, you know what, I learned these 10 things and 5 I've been able to work upon and it's good. 5 मैंने अभी तक experience नहीं कि आप कर सकते हो. You could do that. So you could do the sharing. So feel free, let me know. Let's really, this 2020, definitely the Women's Day has inspired me. I am sowing a seed of a new dream, and this dream is to literally create a platform for empowered women, where we are going to empower each other. So Pallavi saying she's done NLP a few years back. Please share. Again, NLP is such a powerful science. So I've also learned NLP in bits and pieces. But if there is something which you can share, like, and decide, like, एक घंटे का भी करना है, आधे घंटे का भी करना है, तो भी it's fine. But come up and we can continue this. ये 21 days के बाद भी we can literally meet for like half an hour and just inspire each other in a positive way. We can do that, because positive influence की हम लोग बात कर रहे, तो why not start it with each other? That will make us so much more powerful. Like NLP की कुछ technique सीखी, it will help us so much more in our day to day life. Yeah, so feel free, think about it. आपको क्या ड्यूरेशन का करना है, कितने मिनट के लिए करना है, and let's do it, and let's really increase this community, expand this community, and help each other grow. Yeah. Anybody who would like to talk? I've been talking for quite some time now. What are your
Ma'am,
thoughts? Yeah.
I want to talk.
Yes, Kirti.
Just you said that you have to find the purpose of life and you have positive influence. What the points you discussed in that inner power तो है, पर बहुत मतलब कैसा होता है, कुछ इतने मेरी अब तक की इसमें मैंने इतने सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स देखे हैं जहां पर मैं मतलब कि डेथ डोर तक पहुंची हूँ और बैक आई हूँ. तो हर बार जब मैं वो इंसिडेंट्स को सोचती हूँ तो मुझे कहीं तो ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ तो वजह है जिसके लिए मैं बार बार वापस आती हूँ. तो वो क्या वजह है मैं हर बार सोचती हूँ, पर मुझे वो जवाब नहीं मिलता. पर समथिंग इज देयर दैट आई नो, and that's why I always accept whatever comes in front of me कि मुझे ये भी सीखना चाहिए, वो भी शायद यहाँ से रास्ता मिले, शायद वहां से रास्ता मिले, ऐसा लगता है बहुत.
Set an intent to the universe कि मुझे जानना है कि आप मुझे वापस क्यों भेज रहे हो बार बार. आपने अनीता मुरजानी के बारे में सुना है? You must read her book Dying to Be Me. Okay, she is somebody who was suffering from cancer. Like cancer had literally spread all over her body, and there were like wounds ban gaye the, and she slipped into a coma, and I think she was in the coma for about 12 to 15 days, I think. And during that time the doctors had actually, this was in Singapore, so she's in Indian who settled in Singapore forever. And तो वहाँ पे सिंगापुर में डॉक्टर्स ने तो उनके हस्बैंड को बोल दिया था कि प्लीज कॉल हर फैमिली वगैरह। तो उन्होंने इंडिया में उनके भाई है उनको बता दिया था कि शी कैन लाइक कभी भी वो जा सकती है। तो हर ब्रदर लेफ्ट फ्रॉम द कंट्री, ही रीच सिंगापुर वगैरह। In the meanwhile, Anita actually went to the tunnel. So, jitne logon ne, if you have read and researched about NDE, NDE is near-death experiences. People typically, largely, they feel like they are going through a tunnel and there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And she had almost, like, she reached there. And whenever we go to that side, our family is there waiting for us. You know, they come to welcome us. Our dear ones are there. So her father came there, and he spoke to her for a while, and he said that it is not time for you as yet. You have to go back. And वो बहुत speed से, like she came back and she entered the body. So but तब तक she had seen the surgeon talking and जो भी चल रहा था, she had seen at the same time she saw the brother leave from India and come to Singapore. So obviously because you're multi-dimensional ना, आप जब soul form में हो तो आपको there is no limitation only. So she had seen everything, and yeah, she came back, and literally within no time she recovered from cancer. And today she's a big name. She's a big name. Her workshops are like fantastic. She has some cruise like Abraham Hicks, if you've heard of. So Abraham के जैसे cruise पे workshops होते हैं, वैसे अनिता के भी अभी like she was doing till last year, but then in the COVID time. But you hear her talk, she's so soft, so gentle, so compassionate, and she has some beautiful insights to give. So this is her story of how she came back, you know. And she came back because she had a purpose to literally impact the world positively. So Kirti, if you have already come back a couple of times, that just means that the universe is sending you back because there are lots of people here who need you. तो फाइंड आउट कि क्या है एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या वो छोटी सी चीज है जो आपके लिए काफी बड़ी है, यू नो, एंड मेक दैट द मिशन ऑफ योर लाइफ, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग. सो I wish you all the best for finding that purpose, you know, and fulfilling that purpose and living that purpose. Anyone else who
Thank
would
you,
like to
really
share?
thank you. Because it is my question always. I think about the same, but not get the answer.
So I'm going to pray for you to for the universe to give you a clarity to be able to like put a finger on your purpose and say this is what I love the most. All right.
Amen.
So be it and so it is. Tathastu. Yes. Anyone else before we wind up? It's already quite some time now. Quickly. Or Pallavi saying good luck.
Thank you. Thank you, Pallavi.
किसी को
Hello,
बोलना
ma'am.
है? Yes, बोलो. Hi Deepali.
First, so initially, I would like to congratulate,
Thank you so much.
and because I joined late now, so I couldn't wish you. So the same thing as Kirti ma'am said. तो मेरी भी ऐसे ही कुछ है कि like I also find myself कि I am surrounded by people like you always. क्यों मुझे ये लोग ही मिलते in my life. I don't get some other people ऐसे नहीं मिलते कि जो मुझे like कुछ गलत बता रहे या सिखा रहे, ऐसे तो लोग मुझे मिलते ही नहीं है. मे बी कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग इन देयर कंपनी, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, बट तो मतलब देयर मस्ट बी सम पर्पस. अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है व्हेन आई एम हियरिंग यू ना मैम, जब आपको सुनती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है या देयर मस्ट बी सम पर्पस कि भाई क्यों लोहिया मैम ही मेरे साथ में, क्यों मेरे साथ में ऐसी ही बातें होती है, भाई सो पॉजिटिव टॉक, क्यों मैं शिल्पा मैम के साथ फिर से ज्वाइन हो गई जबकि मेरा मेरा ब्रेक हो गया था. मतलब मैं आई वाज देयर इन द शिप, बट मैं नहीं देख पा रही थी, मे बी जो भी रीजन होगा, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. पर कैसे वापस से मैं कनेक्ट हो गई, कैसे ये पैंडेमिक आ गया, कैसे ये आ गया, कैसे ये जूम आ गया, एवरीथिंग। तो कैसे भी लाइक बोलते हैं ना, कोई चीज को हासिल करने के लिए क्या डायलॉग है शाहरुख खान
सारी
का, आई डोंट नो,
कायनात जुड़ जाती है।
कायनात जुड़ जाती है। तो मे बी ऐसा कुछ है मेरे साथ में भी मैम, कि मुझे ऐसे ही लोग लाइफ में मिलते हैं। आई रियली मतलब माई मदर इज ऑल्सो वेरी कंपैशनेट, और वो बहुत काइंड है, वो बहुत मतलब कि बहुत अलग ही पर्सनालिटी है खुद में। तो मतलब ऐसे ही लोग मेरे साथ में, माई नानी, माई मतलब दो मेरे इन लॉज नहीं है वैसे, दे आर टोटली डिफरेंट, पर है मुझे कहीं सपोर्ट, लाइक यू पीपल, लाइक लोहिया मैम, कि है मुझे कोई ना कोई साथ एवरी टाइम। तो देयर मस्ट बी सम रीजन, देयर मस्ट बी सम पर्पस बिहाइंड
Yes.
दैट।
You
आई
already
अग्री
spoken
टुडे।
of a legacy. आपकी नानी, आपकी मम्मी, आप खुद,
हाँ,
तो आपकी बेटी के लिए तो you will leave a legacy ना, she that could be one purpose कि उसको वैसे बनाना, so that can be
तो
all
क्रॉस
right.
करते फिंगर रियली।
Thank you for sharing, Dipali. Thank you. Anyone else? Chalo.
I
Yes.
just wanted to wish you, Shilpa, congratulations, many congratulations. When I
Thank you.
saw your photo now, I was like, I'll tell you the fact. I think everybody must have felt this. Ki, I'm connected to Shilpa. It's like that. Arey, I'm connected to Shilpa. I think, it's a very natural feeling. Ki, arey,
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू।
we know this lady and we are so grateful that I'm somehow connected to you. तुला माहिती म्हणजे टू मीट यू ऑल्सो बहुत पापड़ बेले, यहाँ वहां से कांटेक्ट मिले, पता नहीं कैसे और कैसे आई गॉट कनेक्टेड विद यू,
Yeah.
बट देन it's been a amazing journey. So thank you and more power to you. May you keep inspiring us and maybe we do the same to
Yes,
others also.
of course, I was
Let's
about to
see
say
what-
that. More power to you too, Pallavi. So amazing. So again, that's what I feel. This is ये award वगैरह. The course that I did, arts-based therapy, is it's like a 9-month course, and it is based on the theoretical framework is based on Buddhism, and that is one thing which I learned, and that it has stuck with me forever, and that is no success and no failure is kisi ka bhi alone. I've been constantly saying this. So uh, that one thing is just a representation of all of you. You are the women of substance. You have, given me that power, that motivation, and it's because of all your faith in me, belief in me, love for me, all the well wishes for me, that I keep going and do all the good things. Otherwise, मेरे से अकेले से ये होने वाला है नहीं.
We will be
Sorry
there
to
always.
sorry to interrupt, Shilpa ma'am, but this was somewhere from yesterday in my mind, and I just wanted to quote ki sometime it happens ki when someone gets any of the award, then it is the honor of that person. But I feel it as soon as I saw that photo, that this time it was the honor of that award, that it was coming to you, because it was really very, when I saw that complete photograph,
Speechless.
it was
That emoji is there. No. वैसे हो
नहीं,
गई
but
मैं.
literally this was the, शिल्पा मैम, this was the first thing, like ये अवार्ड बहुत छोटा है जो आपके काम को एक नवाजे, because you are touching so many of us, and it is not touching the life, it is touching the soul. So it is really very wonderful. The very first thing which comes to my mind, it was this one, कि it is कि आपका तो ऑनर है, लेकिन छोटा होगा ऑनर, it is the honor of that award this time. Really
You're making
heartiest
me
congratulations.
emotional. So thank you so much. I am so grateful that I have people who love me so much. That's
Nah,
all
you
I
are
can say.
really touching us.
Thank you, Vishaka. Thank
Beautiful.
you so much. Oh, Anwes put the award got lucky. All right. So, girls, are you ready to go home?
Like I always say,
Bye.
na,
Yeah.
whatever Shilpa ma'am does looks simple, but is never done simply.
Yes. She, like,
It
for
has a
quite a
purpose.
few years, Sushila has been saying this, and I think because she's been constantly declaring, "Oh, mere se waisa hi ho raha hai," she's made that as my affirmation that Shilpa does things very simply. It looks simple, but what is that you're saying?
It looks simple, but it is never done simply.
It looks simple, but it is never done simply.
Well said.
I think I must use this as my tagline.
Great. Because the activities which we did now when we were doing that in the workshop, it felt like हाँ क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग, but when the thing came out, like it was कि अरे इसका purpose ये था, मतलब it was literally very different.
Yeah, that is the idea, to keep it very playful, fun. You know, I think that is where, that's how you find your teachers, na? So that's how I think I've found Nitya, because Nitya is so playful, and everything is about, you know, fun, games, hasna, giggles, all of that. And I just love that playfulness about him. And I think that is what I want to be. I don't want to be any ma, you know. वो नहीं मुझे बनना. I'm good, like, you know what I am, Shilpa. So I just love being like this, you know, with you girls. So this is so amazing. Chalo. I think please go home, girls. Chalo then. Bye. Good
हाँ,
night.
अभी
and
जाना
bye.
है,
See you
अभी
tomorrow.
घर जाना है.
जी.
बाय ऑल ऑफ यू.
Bye.
मैं बोल
bye,
रही
bye.
थी अभी घर जाना है,
हाँ, जाना
सपनों
है.
में खो जाना है, और
हाँ.
कल रात 9 बजे फिर यहाँ आना है.
Very nice. This is again amazing. Please ये jingle लिख दो. Chalo then, girls.
Bye
All right.
everyone.
Bye.
Great meeting you. Bye. See you all.
Good
Good night.
Bye.